This year, we're so excited that we're all out running for unity today. This is an awesome day. We're off to a great start, a running start for a super year.
I think, people like being out early in the morning and that activity that really kind of brings us together. I think there are a lot of people who are committed to running and physical activity, and they get the chance to come out and, that if you get your body right, you get your mind right, get everything ready to go for the start of school.
To our families, to our faculty, our staff, our students, we are trending up. We're trending up with our test scores. We're trending up with achievement. We are growing students. So this year, it's going to be a super year, so put your best foot forward. We're off to a great start.
We have Y on the fly here. Pre-K is out here being very engaged with helping register our pre-K students. We even have the opportunity for our parents to transition over to the Teacher and Learning Academy to receive immunizations. This block party is well-rounded for all of our parents to get everything they need to have a wonderful start to a great school year.
Bueno, cuando yo llegué estábamos en la fila, nos atendieron muy bien cuando nosotros llegamos y nos preguntaron de las inscripciones.
I'm Kevin Woods, District 4 School Board Representative. I want to thank our teachers, our families. Thank you for being a part of our family. Thank you for choosing Memphis-Shelby County Schools to send your kids. We can't wait to see you.